After months of meticulous work, our Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale restoration is complete. The exterior now boasts a stunning high-gloss black finish, with the iconic Italian racing stripe expertly painted and ghosted into the body, creating a seamless and flat finish that has become part of the car itself. This painstaking process ensures that the stripe not only stands out but also integrates flawlessly with the bodywork, highlighting the car's sleek lines and aggressive stance. Inside, we've preserved the authentic racing spirit with refurbished carbon fiber accents, ensuring both comfort and authenticity. The original design and craftsmanship have been carefully maintained, making sure every detail respects the heritage of this iconic model. Our team has focused extensively on the bodywork and paint restoration. Every panel was meticulously prepared, with dents and imperfections expertly smoothed out. The high-gloss black paint was applied in multiple layers, with each layer being carefully sanded and polished to achieve a mirror-like finish. The Italian racing stripe, a hallmark of this model, was a special focus. We painted it on and ghosted it into the body, creating a finish so flat and integrated that it feels like it's part of the metal itself. The overall result is a Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale that not only looks as good as new but also maintains the integrity and spirit of the original design. This project was a true labor of love, showcasing our team's dedication to automotive excellence and precision craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this incredible restoration journey. We hope you enjoyed watching the transformation as much as we enjoyed bringing this Ferrari back to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or thoughts. We always love hearing from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.